Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel CYANVAS. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, today we will draw a Bholebaba composition with human figures. We will start this drawing with gesture process. First of all, we will draw the figures with some shapes. You can use a circle and an U shapes for the face. Simplify the pose with a rectangle shape for the body. Draw two legs as shown. At this part, you don't need to worry about fingers. We will do this on the next steps. We will gradually draw the gestures of the other figures. You just need to find the proper balance of the figure. So you can also draw a balance line before starting the drawing. So our gesture drawing is completed. Now we will go into our second step. Here we will gradually detail all the figures with patience. Follow the gap between the figures. So our figure drawing is completed. Now we will start the background. Draw a road, some mountains and trees. You can arrange the background as you like. It's upon you. So after adding finishing touch, our composition is finally completed. We will color this drawing in another video. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care. Bye bye.